Hey y'all, welcome back to Infinity Offroad. Today I'm going to do a propane ammo can DIY video. I know that I have many out there, but I just want to kind of put out my own little aspect. So I got me an old 50 cal can. Obviously it came with the lid. I already took it off. So. Alright, so it's about 3/8 hole. I'm going to use this stepper bit to go ahead and find the center here and drill a hole for the propane. Alright, so the best way that I found, the width of this can is about 5.5, so the center of that would be, what, 5 or 2.75, and then I went, it's about 1.5 inches up to get this center of this hole completely level inside this ammo can. And then from here with the stepper bit, what I'm going to do is mark the outside of the 3/8. That'll give me a reference for stopping. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to make holes, about 4 of them. About center hole is going to be about 2 inches. So let's get that started. So the box is about 11 inches long. What I'm going to do is about 2 inches down, but every 2.25 inches in, I want to make my cuts. So we'll see how that turns out. Check that out. So the idea is this is gonna go on the back side, but kind of see the idea there. Kind of cool, something different. So instead of a smoke going straight up and vertical, put these 4 holes here. Gonna do the same thing for this back side, but anyways, it's gonna get the flames, other than just vertical, maybe even come out a little horizontal too, to kind of help warm me up a little better. See how it goes. I wanted the holes a little bit bigger, but the deal that I had isn't big enough, so this will work. There you go. There it is. Did that, and then obviously knocked it out on the other side as well. So what I'm doing here, I'm marking off what I want to cut, and that will go on the inside of this right here. Alright, so basically what you saw is making rivet holes. I'll put that on the inside. Some nice little rivet holes there. Now that I got all 106 rivets in, that's what it looks like. Well, we'll see how it performs. Like I said, this hole is going for the propane burner, and then this is going to be to help light it, so you don't have to light it from the top. Now that I have all that, let's go ahead and put the burner on. I added a washer as well, 2 of them. Help at least keep it in there. Alright, coming together. Hey, I want to thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully it was informative. Hopefully you got something out of it. And once again, thank you guys for watching Infinity Offroad.